Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can set up GA4 e-commerce tracking on your WordPress website. That means if you want to track how many audience visit your website and how many audience go your product page, then how many user click add to cart, then go checkout page and finally purchase your product. If you want to track this kind of information, you have to set up Google Analytics 4 with your website through Google Tag Manager. And in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that very easily, and also you can see how many audience visit this product page and what was your product value. So it's very important for your e-commerce business. If I want to show you what you need to do first, you can see here, let me fix this first. So it's your website, assume it's your e-commerce website, and here the Google Analytics account. Okay, so first you need to create Google Analytics account, then you need to connect Google Analytics account with your website. But if you connect Google Analytics account with your website without Google Tag Manager, I mean directly, if you connect Google Analytics with your website, you can see only basic data like how many audience visit your website and their age, their location, this kind of basic information you can see, but you can't see how many audience visit your product page. And product page means view item in Google Analytics language, and also you can't see any add to cart activity on your website. So if you want to track how many audience go your product page, click add to cart, then checkout, purchase, this kind of activity, you need Google Tag Manager help. Okay, because Google Tag Manager help you to track this kind of dynamic interaction. Okay, so first what we need, first we have to create Google Tag Manager account, then we need Google Analytics account, and after create Google Tag Manager account, we need to connect Google Tag Manager account with our website. Then through Google Tag Manager we need to connect Google Analytics with our website. If I wanna show you visually, you can see here like this. Okay, I think it's help you understand very easily. What we need, first we have to create Google Tag Manager account, then we need to connect Google Tag Manager account with our website, and then through Google Tag Manager we need to connect Google Analytics account with our website. Then we can see our user interaction in Google Analytics 4 account dashboard. Okay, so let's start our video and let me show you how you can do that. So if I go here, we can see I divided this video into 6 steps. Step by step GA4 Ecommerce tracking. Step 1 will be create Google Analytics 4 account. Okay, it will be your step 1, and I believe you can easily create Google Analytics 4 account because it's very easy. And if you don't know how to create Google Analytics 4 account, check out this video description. I will put there my previous video link because I have already one video on it. And then if your step 1 is complete, then move step 2, that is create Google Tag Manager account. And I also believe that you can easily create Google Tag Manager account, and also maybe you have Google Tag Manager account already created. If you don't know how to create, please check out video description, there I will put separate video on this topic. And if you complete these 2 steps, you have to follow step 3, that is connect GTM on your website. So let's start with this step, how you can connect your Google Tag Manager account with your WordPress website. So for that, first you have to go your WordPress admin panel. As you can see here, I am the admin panel, and this is the tutorial purpose website. It's not a real website, but it's a demo website. Okay, so after go your WordPress dashboard, you have to go plugin section and then click on add plugin, and here you have to search one plugin, that is GTM for WP. So if I search here GTM for WP, I can see here lots of plugin available, but we need this plugin by Thomas. Okay, so just click on install now, then press active. So after active this plugin, if you scroll down and if you hover on settings option, here you can see option like Google Tag Manager. Just click on this option, and then if I scroll down here, we can see like Google Tag Manager ID, that means enter your Google Tag Manager ID here. So for that, open your Google Tag Manager and click on here. You can see here JavaScript code, but you don't need to copy all code. You just need to copy this code from here, I mean from your GTM account, and then go here, just paste here your real GTM ID, then scroll down, click on save change. Okay, now our Google Tag Manager is connected with our website. Let's test our Google Tag Manager is connected with our website or not. So how we can verify that? For that we have to go preview, so select preview option, and here you have to put your website URL, then click connect, and now we can see our tag assistant is connected. How we can verify that? Here you can see tag assistant is connected, and if I go tag assistant tab, here you can see window loaded, and here you can see our tag assistant is connected. Okay, so if I go here, you can see our step 3 is complete. That means connect GTM on your website, it's complete. Now move on step 4, that is connect Google Analytics on website using GTM, that means using this account. Okay, so for that we need actually we have complete our step 2, that is create we have complete our step 1, that is create Google Analytics 4 account first. So just open your Google Analytics 4 account. Okay, as you can see, this is my Google Analytics 4 account. To connect Google Analytics 4 account with your website through Google Tag Manager, first you have to open your Google Analytics 4 account, then go admin, then you have to select data stream, then select this stream. Here you can see measurement ID, just copy this ID and go back your Google Tag Manager account, click on tag section, and we are here step 4, connect Google Analytics on website through Google Tag Manager, and it's our tag manager. I just copy this measurement ID and I just go tag manager account, then click new tag, because tag help us connect Google Analytics, and then select Google tag and paste here your measurement ID that you copy from your analytics account, and then scroll down. Trigger by default selected, like initialization all pages. So if you see it's selected, you can just save this track, and if you see it's not selected, you have to just select triggering, and you can see like this one also, you can see select this one. 2 is similar almost, but recommended this one. Okay, so just select triggering all pages, then you need to write your tag name for remember which tag this. So you can write here GA4 config tag like this. GA4. So I just write here GA4 config tag, then click on save. So it's one tag help you connect Google like this. Like this one tag help you connect Google Analytics account with your website through Google Tag Manager. This is the this tag purpose. Okay, then our Google Analytics is connected like as we can see here. So now what we need to do, let's see. So step 4 is complete. Google Analytics connected is complete now. Let's move on step 5, that is enable data layer on WordPress website. And what is data layer and why we need data layer? So if you want to track how many audience visit your product page, and also if you want to track this product page value like $200 as you can see here. So if you want to track this kind of value and this kind of dynamic information, you have to enable data layer, and data layer help you capture this kind of information. Okay, so how you can enable data layer? It's very easy. You have to just go your WordPress dashboard, and then again hover settings option, then go here Google Tag Manager, and as you can see here we just paste here our GTM ID and then we save this. Now for enabling data layer, wait, I want to show you something, that is now we are in preview mode, right? So now if I go any product page like D&K blue shoes, so what we can see in tag manager, let me show you, because after enabling data layer we can see extra information in our tag assistant, I mean GTM preview mode. So now if I go tag assistant, here we can't see any view item name here, like this is the summary section, and here you can see lots of information but no any view item name. Also if I click on first select any color, then if I click add to cart, Now we should see add to cart event in summary section, but here we can't see any add to cart event. Can you see here any add to cart event? No. And also if I go view cart, so here we should see view cart event, but we can't see. And final, if I go any checkout page, we should see checkout event, but here we can't see. Can you see here any add to cart checkout view item? No, because now we need to enable data layer. After enabling data layer, we can see here view item, add to cart, checkout, this kind of event. Okay, so when we can see this kind of event, then we can create some trigger, we can create some data layer variable, then we can send this information to Google Analytics 4 dynamically. Okay, to enable data layer, just open dashboard, I mean your WordPress dashboard, then select integration, then select Woocommerce, and just check this option like track e-commerce. Then scroll down, just save change. So after complete this task, you have to just close these two options. Let me show you from beginning. So let me show you. Then so after that, after enabling data layer, now if I go preview from our Google Tag Manager account, we can see add to cart event, checkout, view item, this kind of information. Then we can create, I mean then we can go next step. Okay, it's essential. So it's connected. Let me see. Yes, it's connected now. Just if I go any product page like this one, dark brown shoes. No, it's not shoe, it's a jeans. Okay, however, now if I go tag assistant, we can see view item event. Also we see here view item list. We don't need item list, we need view item. Here what we can see now, if you go data layer section, after select this view item, here you can see some information about your product like currency, USD value. You can see here is the value, and if I go product base, this value is same, because this product information we can see here, and lots of information you can see. Also item ID, then price, SQ, quantity, this kind of information we can see here. Okay, and it's very important. And now if I click add to cart, we can see add to cart even here. Yes, right. And after that, just let's purchase this product for testing purpose. Like see what we can see in GTM preview mode after complete one product purchase. So I just remove this one. I want to purchase this product. Now if I go checkout, we can see here is show checkout, like view cart, remove from cart, and also begin checkout. Okay, so if I fill up this form and purchase this product, what we can see, let's see. Okay, so I just purchase this product. Okay, so our product purchase is complete. Now if I go tag assistant, here we should see purchase name event, right? Yes, so now if I go Canva, okay, after complete step 5, we can move step 6, that is set up tag trigger variables. And how we can do that, let me show you. To set up tag trigger and variable, I just divided this part into 3 steps. It's help you understand very better. So step 1, create data layer variable. Okay, how we can create data layer variable, let me show you. So first, what we want to track, first define this. I want to track how many audience go product page, that means view item, and then how many audience click add to cart button on our product, and then how many audience go checkout page, and then how many user go finally purchase page. We want to track this kind of activity. Okay, so our activity will be 4, like view item, add to cart, checkout, purchase, 4. Okay, for 4 information we want to track, first we need to create some data layer variable. To create data layer variable, if you click purchase option here you can see some information here like e-commerce, currency, transaction ID, value, tax, shipping, coupon. So before create data layer variable, we need to check what kind of data layer variable we have to create. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, here you can see this is the GA4 event parameter checklist. If you need this checklist, please check out video description. I'll put there this checkout doc file, so you can just copy and paste. It's very helpful for you. So now if I scroll down here, we can see for view item, like you can see for view item, if I zoom this doc file, so here you can see if you want to track view item event, I mean how many audience go your product page, you have to create three data layer variable. One is items, then value, and then currency. Here you can see items, value, currency. So if you go tag assistant and if you scroll down, here you can see view items. When this item view items show here, when actually I go any product page, that time this view item event show here. So if you select view item, then if you go data layer, here you can see some information like e-commerce, currency, value, items. So if you check here for view item, like we need three parameter. One is items, value, currency. So let's create first items and data layer variable. So for create items, first you have to copy e-commerce, then you go your Google Tag Manager account, then go variable section and wait here, and then select user defined variables, and it will be data layer variable. Then paste here your name, actually this name, e-commerce, like this. Okay, then add here dot, then copy items. Okay, then just paste here items, and you need to write here your variable name, and you can write here anything, but I like to write here DLB items. Okay, DLB items. Then you can save this variable. So our one variable creation is done. Now we need to get another two variable, but I like to copy this variable. It's help me save my time, also it's help you save your time. So I just copy this variable name. I rename this variable like DLB value. So you can check here, we need value. How you can create value variable? Just open this tag assistant again, and here already copy like e-commerce. So just remove this option, e-commerce dot, then we need value. So this is the e-commerce and this is the object. Okay, so first we copy e-commerce, then we need value. So copy value and just add here value, then just save your data layer variable. Like this we can create easily our all data layer variables. So value creation is done. Then again copy this and rename your variable name DLB. It will be currency. How I know this? Because here you can see we need currency for view item event. So just copy, rename this name and go your tag assistant. Already e-commerce is here available, so I need to just remove this. Then copy currency and paste here currency. Okay, then save this variable. But I want to create more variable for our purchase event. So what kind of data layer variable we need for purchase event? Let me check. So if we scroll down here, we can see for begin checkout, actually it's not for begin checkout. Here begin checkout is double because I forget to rename this event name, but I'll rename this after complete this video. Then here you can see for purchase event, assume it's a purchase event parameter list. Okay, so we need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 parameter. Like we have just create items, value, currency, right? But we need now coupon, transaction ID, tax, shipping. So how you can do that? First go tag assistant, just select your purchase event, and here you can see to create coupon, here is the object, and under this object first you have to just show you, select variable, data layer variable, and this is the object. Just copy e-commerce name, your object name, then add dot, we need coupon, right? So this is the object is starting and we need coupon, so copy this coupon, and yes, this is coupon, so rename your variable name like dlb coupon, then save it. Now what we need, coupon transaction id, right? We need transaction id. So if I go tag assistant and selected purchase even here, then here you can see transaction id available here, like this. So same thing, just copy e-commerce, then add dot, then copy transaction id. So I like to copy this variable, just then remove this coupon name, just add here transaction id, and I need to rename this variable name. Then check again what variable we need, tax. Now we need tax. To create tax, just copy tax from here and copy any data layer variable, because it's help you save your time. Okay, just rename this, and here we need to rename this. Almost done. What we need next, shipping. To create shipping, it's the same thing, same way, just copy shipping name and copy any data layer variable from here, just rename this and also rename this. Just it's your variable name and it's your main variable value. Okay, so it's important, but here you can see write anything. Okay, so I think variable creation is done. Yeah, so if I go here, our step 1 is complete, data layer variable creation is done. Now move on step 2, that is create custom event trigger. How you can do that? For that, just go your trigger section. After that, here click new, trigger configuration, select, then you have to select custom event, and here event name. So event name will be purchase. If you want to track only purchase event, that means if you want to see how many audience visit your website and purchase your product, then you need to create this trigger and then create tag for this event, and then you can see this information in your Google Analytics. So I like to create 4 trigger because I want to track 4 activity, like how many audience visit product page, then add to cart, then checkout, also purchase 4. Okay, to create 4 trigger, just first let's scroll down, start with view items. View item event name is view item, so copy this event name and just paste here this name like this. Okay, then rename your trigger name. I like to write here view item trigger. Okay, cool. So it's our one trigger creation done. Yes, one trigger creation is done. Now I just copy this trigger. Another one will be add to cart. So add to cart, if you scroll up here, you can see add to cart event. So just copy this event name and paste here, and yes, then rename your tag name, trigger name. Then here we can see 2 trigger creation done. We need another 2. Almost we can just here, if you scroll up here, we can see another one will be begin checkout. Copy your event name, then paste here your event name, and then rename your trigger name, and your trigger name will be begin checkout. So it will be begin checkout, then save this trigger, and 3 trigger creation is almost done. Now we need a final trigger, that is purchase. So how you can create purchase trigger? I know you can do it easily because I think you understand this, how you should create this event name, your trigger. So if I scroll up here, we can see purchase event. Just copy this purchase event and change here your event name. And remember one thing here, everything in small letter. If you write like this, like E, but it's not work. Okay, so you have to just write like this. Remember this, it's very important. And then save this trigger. So now if I go Canva, we can see our step 2 is complete. That is trigger custom, trigger custom event trigger. What I write here, I need to write create custom event name. Now it's look good. Okay, so our step 2 is complete. Now we need complete step 3, that is set up tag to pass data. So it's our final step and it's very important, so please watch carefully and don't skip any part. Okay, now trigger variable creation done, trigger creation done. Go your tag section, because now time to create our tag. Okay, let's see how we can set up our tag. To set up your tag, go first tag section, select tag configuration. Now we need to select GA4 event, and here we need to paste our GA4 measurement ID again, but we can just create any constant variable and just assign here. But let me show you how you can just copy your measurement ID again and paste here. Okay, it's almost done. Now event name. So here if you want to track how many audience go your product page like this, you need to write here view items. And how you can write here, as you can see here is the view item event name. Just copy this event name from here and paste here. You can also write here manually, no problem. Then you need to select your triggering, and your trigger will be this one, view item. That means when someone go this product page and here show view item event like this, wait, let me show you like this, and when this preview mode show view item option, your tag will be fire, and then your this action is tracked by Google Analytics. Okay, so just select triggering. Then here you can see some option here. One option is event parameter. If you select event parameter, you can see here is the add parameter option. You have to add 3 parameter with your view item event. Okay, so add 3, and what kind of parameter you have to send, just check my checklist. If I scroll up here, you can see view item event list like items. So copy these items, just copy this item, then paste here your items name like this, and again see value currency. So again we need value currency, this parameter. So just write here value like this, and currency we need done. And here you can see value box, input box. Here we have to assign our items. And if you click on this plus icon here, you can see some data variable just we create some moment ago. Here you can see here is the items, so we need to assign here items. So items variable, find this is the item, DLB items. And if you open this, you can see same thing like DLB item you have to assign. So if you need this checklist, please check out video description. I'll put there this doc file link, it's help you. Okay, now we need value. To assign values, again select plus icon and here select DLB value, and then currency. So it's very easy, you have to just select DLB currency parameter. So our event parameter assign complete. Now we can write our event name, and this name will be like GA4 view item tag, this kind of. So I just write here GA4, not like that, GA4 view item tag. Yeah, looks good. Now we can save this tag. So what this tag is do, this tag is help us track like how many audience go product page. Okay, so now we want to track how many audience click add to cart. How you can do that? We need another tag, so I like to copy this tag. You know how, you know that why I copy this tag, because it's very helpful to understand easily. And tag name will be like add to cart. And if you want, you can write here anything. Okay, it's not a mandatory you need to like write this. You can write anything here, like, but here you need to write like this. For GA4 event, you need to write here like when someone click on add to cart, event name will be add to cart. Okay, so here you can't change anything, you need to write like this, add to cart. Okay, then parameter, let me see for add to cart event what parameter we need. Oh, if I go checklist, we can see to add to cart we need same parameter like items, value, currency. Okay, so let me copy these items and let me change here items. And as you can see here, our parameter is already selected here, so we don't need any additional parameter here. So we can just change our triggering, and our trigger will be, can you guess which one? Yes, you are right, this one. And then save your this tag. After that, two tag creation done. Now we need another two tag. One is checkout, another one is purchase, right? So again, if you want to save your time, you should copy like me. Okay. Okay, so now this event name will be begin checkout. So I like to write here begin, then checkout, and we need to change here our event name, like this will be begin underscore checkout. Okay, then scroll down. Here we can see event parameter is 3. Let me check how many parameter we have to send. And here we can see for begin checkout event we have to send 4 parameter like items, value, currency, coupon. So as you can see here is already 3 parameter is assigned. Now we need additional one more parameter, that is coupon. How we can do that? Just copy this name like this, it's a coupon, so I just copy it, and here you have to add this. Now we need to assign here our coupon data layer variable. How we can do that? This is the your DLB coupon, just select this, and you need to change your trigger, and your trigger will be e-commerce, I mean begin checkout. This is your event name, I mean your trigger. Now you need to save your tag. Okay, so yeah, our free tag creation done. Last one we need, that is purchase, and this tag help us track how many audience purchase our product. Just rename my tag name, this will be purchase, and this event name will be purchase like this. So I like to write here purchase everything in small letter, and to check what kind of parameter we have to send, we need to send 7 parameter like coupon, then transaction ID. So copy transaction ID and add here another 3 parameter. So yeah, this is the transaction ID, and we need to also pass tax data layer variable. So copy tax, then last one is shipping. So copy shipping name like this and just paste here. Done. And assign here your transaction ID data layer variable for purchase event. So this is the transaction ID, and we need tax. This is the tax. We need shipping, and this is the shipping. Yes, now we should change our trigger, select purchase. Oh, I mistake here, like we need to write here like purchase. Yes, now looks good everything. Now we can save our tag. Okay, after configure everything, we can say our configuration is complete. And after complete our configuration, we have to publish our container. Okay, so let me write here Ecommerce Tracking. This is the version name. if you want you can ignore this, no problem. Okay, and then after publishing this container we can go preview and we can check everything step by step, and we can also go GTM, I mean Google Analytics 4 debug view to check Google Analytics collected our data or not. It's very important. Okay, so let's check together how we can do that. First select admin, then scroll down. Here you should see debug view. Just select debug view option and see which what kind of activity we can see. This is the page view. Okay, so here after you selected debug view, now let's close this, also this. Yeah, so this is the website and now everything is looks good. Now you have to go preview mode after go debug view so that you can test everything live. Okay, so select connect and then wait for connecting. I mean connect, wait for network. My network is bad, so I have to wait more time here. Okay, now we can see our tag assistant is connected. What we need to do now, if I go tag assistant, we can see tag fire. I mean one tag is fire, but this I mean those tags are not fire. Why? Because we didn't go any product page, right? When we go product page, here we can see tag is fire, and we can see here is here to show view items name, that means event name. So let's go any product page for testing purpose. So let's go this product, dark brown jeans. Now we should see this event is fire. Yes, this event should fire. So just wait a little bit because this website is loading, and after loading we can see this tag is fire one time, right? And here we can see view item event is GA4 receiving or not. Just wait a little bit. Here we should see yes, just we can see here, no problem. Just go any another action like add to cart. If I click add to cart, we should see add to cart event is fire, and also we can, yeah, as we can see here the view items, and also we can see here add to cart event. It takes some time. Okay, so don't get confused, and if you need my help you can contact with me, definitely I'll help you. Okay, and now if I go view cart and if I go checkout and if I purchase this product, we should see purchase event is fire. Yeah, we can see our all tag is fire properly. See, and if I go GA4, I mean Google Analytics, here you can see view items and like add to cart. Also we should see purchase event. We have to wait here a little bit because it's takes some time, as we know, so don't worry. Yes, checkout. Now we should see also purchase, and if we can see purchase, that means our setup properly successful. Yes, we can see here the purchase, and this purchase item is we can see everything like value is 150 and our order price is 150. Everything is correct. Transaction ID is 4393 and transaction ID is where, yes, order number 4393. Yeah, so our GA4 Ecommerce tracking successful. I think this video is help you. If you think this video is helpful for everyone, you should like this video. You can share this video with your friends, and please, if you need more this kind of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.